Hello guys, my name is Pushkar, and in the previous tutorial I showed you how to configure the RMAN and how to register the database. Now in this very tutorial I am going to show you how to perform few basic RMAN commands, like how to use few basic RMAN commands like backup, list, cross check, report, alter, delete, duplicate, restore and recover. Well, there are more RMAN commands. These are the just basic commands which are used frequently. With the help of backup command, I am going to show you how to perform a database full backup or an incremental backup. Then with the help of list command, we will see all the list of the backups taken. Then we'll cross check the backup. Then we will report the backup. If there is any file or any archive logs which need a backup, then there will be an alter, delete and duplicate backup, cloning of the database backups. Then we will see restore and recovery of the backup. So now let's start. I am going to show you how to take a full database backup. Okay, here I have logged into my RMAN command in a catalog mode. The database set as target is ORCL, so we are going to take a full backup of ORCL database. Now it is very simple. We have to write just backup database. Then if you just terminate the statement here, Oracle is going to give a default tag name, or if you want to give the tag name, then you can to the backup, then you have to write tag is equal to, let's say, database ORCL full. Now let's run the command. I'm going to press enter. Okay, it has started the backup, starting full resync of recovery catalog. It has taken the backup of that input data file, and the file number has also been mentioned here, 10103050204. Yeah, okay, it may take a while. Well, if it depends on the size of the database, how long it takes to back up the whole database. It includes all the block files and everything in the backup. Okay, here now it's starting the control file and service parameter file auto backup. As you have seen in the last video, that we has configured the control file auto backup on. So with every backup, whether it is full backup or incremental backup, it will take a backup of control file and SP file as well as. Okay, now let's see where our backup has been taken. So here it says flash recovery area auto backup, and the name of the folder is datawise. Let's see, here it's my flash recovery area. Okay, it is maybe in RCORCL. Here it says backup set. This is here today's date, and this is the backup. Here is a DBORCL full, that the tag name is also been assigned, and the size of the backup is 36 MB. So in this tutorial you saw how to take a full database backup. Now I am going to show you that how to take an incremental backup, level 0, level 1 backup. What is level 0 backup? What is level 1 backup? Now let's see how to take an incremental backup. Now I am going to show you how to take a incremental level 0, level 1 backup. Now here level 0 simply means a full database backup from incremental. It will check on what date last backup was taken, and from there it will take a full database backup if it is set to level 0. Now level 1 backup can be of two types. It is of cumulative and differential. The cumulative backup takes, if you mention the level 1, and if it takes the entire database backup from the last level 0 backup, and differential backup checks the last incremental backup and it takes only the difference of the backup. Okay, so now here I am going to show you the statement is backup level backup incremental. backup incremental level 0 database tag db oracle incremental level 0 backup. Let's run the statement. Okay, it has started the backup. Now incremental backup is of very much importance, and it is in practice. Okay, here we saw a problem: limit exit for recovery files cannot reclaim 524.2.0 byte disk space from 210 limits. Okay, we will solve this error later. Right now I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you that why incremental backups are efficient and are in good practice. Because if consider your data is in terabytes, and if you are performing a full database backup, it will take it can take hours to complete a backup. So incremental backup, if you take a level 0 incremental backup, it will check the last uh, date on which the backup is taken, and after from that date it will take a incremental, it will take the backup. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. It's a limit exceeded for recovery files. Well, right now I'm just going to go back to my database and I'm going to delete this. Okay, so let's run the statement again. Yes, the backup has been started. You can see a file has been created here, and here you can see for every database file there is a data file number 010305 for here every of your table space file. Okay, it again says that the limit exceeded for recovery files. I think here we have to see how to drop some or delete some obsolete backup or the backup which we do not need. Here, with the help of delete backup command, the Oracle RMAN is going to list all the backup that can be deleted or they are expired or obsolete, and it will ask, do you really want to delete the above objects? We are going to type yes, because they are just taking unnecessary space, so we need to delete this all backup. Okay, the backups are being deleted. Okay, all the backup has been deleted. So now let's, here it says warning, two objects could not be deleted from disk channel due to mismatched status. Use cross-check command to fix status. Okay, here it says cross-check command to fix status. We are going to write cross-check backup. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says cross-check the three objects, and it says that these three files have not been found. Here you see I have performed a cross-check backup, so it has found to be expired, and the folder which you recently deleted, all this problem has been caused by this. Well, it's great because with the help of because of that mistake we are seeing that cross-check command and list command and everything. Now you can see it has found 3 disk. It is not able to find the 3 disk image, so it has listed it to be expired. Now we are going to delete that expired back. So now here I ran the command list expired backup, so it has listed this 3 backup. Now and then I have run the command delete expired backup, so it has deleted this expired backup. I have mentioned yes, so it has deleted the expired backup. Now we are going to run that incremental backup command. Okay, here we are. It was backup incremental level 0 database tag dborcl incremental level 0. So now let's run this command. There should not be any problem this time because we have sufficient disk space to store this backup. Here it says finished backup at 27 October 12, and now it is taking the control file and service parameter file auto backup. Okay, the backup is completed. It was a level 0 backup. As I said, it is a full database backup from the last backup taken, or you can say from the last checkpoint of the backup. Well, it is first backup, so now we are going to perform a level 1 backup. As I said, level 1 can be of two types, differential and cumulative. So this will be definitely of a cumulative type. Let's run this. Okay, backup started, input data file taken. Okay, you see it has completed the backup, and it has also taken the control file and service parameter for backup. Here it at our disk, see the size of the backup, it is just 992 kbs, because our full level 0 backup was taken, so only 992 kb. This is the differential backup. You see, it has checked for the last level 0 backup, and all those changes made after the first level 0 backup, it has backed up only that much data, not that full database data. So it was an incremental differential backup. Okay, I've shown you how to list expired backup, delete. Now I'm going to show report backup, report command. You have seen earlier report schemas. Here is the report of database schemas. I have shown you this earlier. Now there is a report need backup. See, it says RMAN retention policy will be applied to the command. Currently there are no files that need any backup. Now let's see, are there any expired backups? List expired backup. Well, it's good. Right now there are no expired backups. Okay, now here I am going to show you how to take a backup of archive logs. Let's see, are there any archive logs? List archive log all. Okay, there is a archive log files in the archive log folder. Here you see there is date wise, there are archive log sets. It is the current archive log. Well, I am going to take the backup of all the archive logs, and we have to just write backup archive log, and just let's give a tag name. Okay, I'm going to give it that archive log all. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, here is the command backup archive log all tag archive log all. Okay, now it's been starting take a backup. As I said earlier, with every backup it will take a backup of control file and our service parameter file backup also. So now the backup of our archive log has been taken. If you want to take any specific table space backup, not whole database backup, so you can say backup table is space users. We can give a tag name, tag is equal to users tb. Okay, here's a little changes. Okay, backup table space users tag is equal to users underscore tb. Let's run this statement. Okay, it is taking the user's tablespace backup, also taking the control file and service parameter file backup. If you want to see all the list of the backup taken, you can also write this alternate command, list backup summary. It will list all the backup you have taken for that ORCL database. Here it shows. Okay, here you can see the key that TY level is a level 01, device tag completion time, here compressed, yes, no, and here is a tag, the DB ORCL incremental level D tag ORs and DB ORCL. Here archive logs, here is our user table space backup. Now here we are going to issue a cross check command, cross check backup. This command will show me if database's backup is it available or is it expired. Available means it says on the is it available on the operating system level, like there was a raw file here, you see, right? So if there is an expired, so you can just list the expired backups and delete the expired backup. If you want to delete any specific backup, you can also delete the same. You can just have to write delete backup and you have to give the tag name. It will delete that backup. Now here I am going to show you the use of the catalog command. What catalog command does is it actually holds the heads the address of all the files stored in the operating system level. For example, we are going to see if one of our backup file or archive log file, if space is mounted or it has been reached to its limit, and if you want to remove that file to a different location, then let's see what happens. Here I am going to write command list archive log all. Here it shows the path of the archive log where it is stored. It is stored in flash recovery area archive ORCL archive log, and it in date wise it has been arranged all the archive logs date wise here. Okay, so now I'm going to move one of my archive log folders from here to a different location. Okay, I have moved it to a different location in C archive log folders. So now let's cross check if all the archive logs are there in OS. Cross check archive log and you are going to write all. Now here it is checking if all the archive logs are present in the operating system level or not. Okay, here it says validation failed for archive log, and all here or to archive validation failed because it was not able to find the archive logs in the OS level. So now we are just going to change the path because we have already moved the archive logs to the new destination. So we are going to uncatalog this current address, and now we are going to catalog the new address here. Now to do that, we will issue a command. I have moved these archive logs in the new destination C Oracle archive log in this folder, and here are my archive logs which I have moved. Now I am going to list archive log all. Here it gives a very important detail that is known as sequence. The sequence is for every archive log. Here we have cross-checked and found all the archive logs generated on 27 October 2012 has been missing. It means it has been moved to a new place. So now we are just going to uncatalog the old address and we will catalog the new address. It is very simple. We have to just write change archive log sequence, and as we see 27th October all the archive log are missing. Here it's let's say 19. Okay, so here I am going to write 19 and I am going to uncatalog. Okay, it says uncatalogued one objects. Now I am going to catalog the new address. You write catalog archive log, and now I am going here. I might need a path, new path here. Okay, here it is the new path, and the name of the archive log. So it was a sequence 19. So this is the name of the archive log. I am just I will just copy it and I am going to paste it too. So here it is the new path, just inverted comma, semicolon. Everything seems fine. Let's see. It says cataloged archive log. The sequence number is very important and you can use only one sequence number at a time. So here you can see that sequence number 20, 21, 22, 23 all are missing, and we have to uncatalog and catalog each one of them. So well, I'm not going to uncatalog each one of them, but I am going to show you that when I cross check archive log all, here see validation failed for the archive log because I have not uncatalogued it. For sequence number 20 to 21 I have uncatalogued and cataloged file for sequence number 19. Let's see. Okay, here it's 17, here it is 18, here it is 19, and it says validation succeeded for archive log this one, which was 19. Here only first three lines, don't notice that fourth line. So I have just shown you how to use the catalog command. If you have moved some files, this same thing can be done for the data files or any of the redo log files or control files. You have just to catalog and uncatalog those new address. So here my tutorial is over, and thanks for watching, and I hope it is very helpful for you. In the next tutorial I am going to show you how to use the restore and recover command.